Hey guys, Marcel here, and I'm sure many of you use massage rollers before and after you work out, but I want to share with you our crystal massage soap that works really well for post-workout showers. So let's get right into the video.
This soap is called Perception, and it actually features blue lace agate, one of my all-time favorite crystals. And you can actually grind the stone into your body and give yourself a massage as you bathe. So you can actually give yourself a stone massage in the shower. It's great for myofascial release, any targeting any trigger points, any problem areas. Maybe you have a huge knot on one shoulder. Now, the problem with exercising when you have a lot of imbalances is that you're really setting in that dysfunctionality. So if you are doing a crunch and one side of your body is a little tighter or a little higher than the other, you're really setting in and making that one side stronger or one side weaker, and it's not balanced. And unbalanced exercising is not good because you're just setting in that dysfunctionality. This is really great to do before you work out and after you work out as well. But I just love the convenience of our soaps because the first thing I want to do after I work out is I want to shower because I'm sweaty. I want to hop in the shower. So to actually do that massage therapy, have that massage therapy conveniently in my bathroom is really easy and it's really convenient. And it also gives me some time to check in with my personal development goals and say my affirmations. And it's a really nice way to just include some self-care into my daily routine. This massage roller, you can actually use this on your sides. I love to use this like this. Anywhere that I feel tight, I use this on I also use this on my calves as well. But our soaps are really good for that as well, so you can actually target those areas that you need it. And once your soap is done, you're left with a crystal afterwards. So it's really like the gift that keeps on giving. These are all palm oil free, vegan, SLS free, and we use organic coconut oil, shea butter, extra virgin olive oil, pure steam distilled essential oils.